If you're like me and you build a lot of chain link fence, you know it can be hard to hold the chain link up against the top rail when you're building the fence. Now they make a lot of tools to help with that, but today I'm going to show you my personal favorite, the Applejack. Let's go over to the demo and I'll show you how it works. So another alternative, the banana clip, and those are great. They work just by clipping the chain link to the top rail to help hold the chain link on the top rail. Let's go behind the fence and I'll show you this cool contraption called the Applejack and how I like to use it to do basically the same thing, but a little better. So this Applejack is a great tool. Oh, there you are. The Applejack, it's a grand tool from behind the fence. You simply put it up over the top of the top rail and you use the little finger to grab onto the chain link, and looky there, it actually pulls the chain link up to the proper height. And then you have this little hook, the tail of the Applejack, and this is meant to clip on to the chain link. Now that really kind of holds the chain link more securely than a banana clip, but what's even cooler about this is you can also raise it up to the right height. Not every fence is going to have this particular height, so if you need to get it higher, you simply unclip and you can go to the next diamond and clip it wherever you need it to be. Now, why is this different from the banana clip? Well, mainly just in the shape, but also this cable with the tail. This definitely makes it more secure. I've been on quite a few installation jobs where we've had multiple banana clips and they have failed. They have come off of the top rail, and when you have 100+ foot of chain link fall down, it's quite the sight. And it's not a whole lot of fun to put it back up. Something like the Applejack will keep that from happening with this hook and the proper installation over top of the top rail. So there you have it. Pretty quick and easy video about the Applejack. You know you need one, or two, or 10. These are available at ozfence.store. Check the link in the description and we'll catch you in the next one.